Today I'm going to show you the best dough that you can ever make and very easy. This is 1 cup. Usually I don't measure, but I put the measurement so you will see it. And this will make very soft, delicious, juicy dough. So this is 2 cups of flour, pinch of salt, a pinch of sugar, and there is about 1 tablespoon yeast. And here I brought some water. Now I have 2 cups of water over here. I'm going to put little by little. It doesn't mean that it's going to take 2 cups. It might take less. But I just prepare it here so I don't have to go and come, go and come. So you'll add it little by little. There we go. All right. Now, in case if you put too much water, do not get worried. Just add a little bit flour. If it needs some more water, just put it. It has to come kind of a soft dough. Now I can tell that it's a little soft, this dough. It looks like it's perfect. We have to mix it good. So we're gonna put maybe about like 2 to 3 tablespoons olive oil. You can put canola oil or you can put mazola. Do not stress out. And you just put them all together like this and mix it. And then you let it rise. And maybe a few drops of flour or not. We're gonna see. Well, look at this, how soft dough it is. Actually, I'm not gonna put any more flour in it. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. We put flour on a top of the counter and we open the dough. It's always nicer to be soft. Just like 2-3 minutes you mix it. Leave about half hour, 25 minutes, maybe a little bit more. Just cover on it. So what it does, it sweats. It kind of keeps the heat inside. Here we have the cover. And just put one side. Let me show you. I already made another one here. And this is how it rises. See what a beautiful dough it is. Still it's soft. So now I'm going to open it and I'm going to put for you. You can do with your hands or we can do with the roller. Look how soft it is. You put it in a tray. I want to show you here. It's such a delicious dough it is. It's like a cotton. If you want to do it with the roller, you have to add just a little bit flour just to open it. If you like it, click on like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching again. Bye-bye.